Nice! Cupcakes before bed. Hey, mind your own business. I mean, I'm not judging you that you're drinking water. Yeah, like it's a bad thing that I'm having water. Ugh, whatever. Hey, Sam. Sam! 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 Oh, what? Can't you see I'm reading? Oh, sorry. I'll just be playing with my Rubik's Cube over here. Can you be a little more quiet, please? I'm trying to read. Oh, yeah, sorry. I'll just, yeah, go put this away and go play on the iPad instead. Thank you. Finally, some quiet. Oh, that's odd. I wonder where the iPad is. Ellie, give that back. I'm gonna be using it. No way. I'm using it right now. Ugh, Ellie, let's go. Give it back. Guys, can you be quiet? Oh, sorry.